Good morning, students. What's up, mga kasibilyan? Hello, my friend. Tonyo! So for this morning class, the first problem, the composite bar has a cross-sectional area of 500 mm squared for AB, 400 mm squared for BC, and 300 mm squared for CD. Now solve for the stress in each bar. We have these solid composite bars restrained on one side. Baliktad ba or sakto ra? Baliktad, no? So for the first problem class, this is the figure, di ba? Yingon din nga, these are the composite bars having a cross-sectional areas of 300 mm squared, 400 mm squared, and then 500 mm squared. And given po na ang loads applied at this bar na siya ay tension nga 10 kilonewtons, then compression nga 35 kilonewtons, and another tension nga 25 kilonewtons. We are required to solve for the stresses in each bar. So di ba nakahatag og example ani similar gid nga example. Sige, first technique ani class in solving this one. We will have cutting sections. Asa ta mag-start at the free end. So first, let's try to cut this one. This would be the cutting section. Na siya tension nga 25 kilonewtons, and then nata reaction nga unknown at that portion, right? This is the cutting section of CD. And then after that will be summing up forces, di ba? Summing up forces along x equals to 0, to the right equals to the left. So on to the right, we have reaction at CD is equals to 25 kilonewtons, and this is the force applied at bar CD. And then stress is equals to the force applied at CD divided by the area at CD. So therefore, the stress class is equals to 25. Again, convert that into newtons divided by the area. How much? 300 mm squared. Now, stress is equals to pila man eh? 83.33 megapascal. Okay, so that is the first answer. Next, for the second plane class, we'll try to cut. This is the cutting section. Nasa compression nga 35 kN and nasa tension nga 25 kilonewton. Based sa inyong observation, asa may mas dako? 35 or 25? 35, no? So, posible nani siya compression at that side. So, summation of forces X equals to 0. To the right equals to the left. So, sa may to the right class, we have 35 equals 25 plus the reaction at BC. So therefore, the reaction at BC is equals to 10 kilonewtons. Now, by the way, class, don't worry ha kung if ever bitaw, ang assumption ninyo first din is to the right, pero maminti. Pag mo negative gali ng answer ni mo dire class, pwede nimo i-change yung assumption. Kaya pasabutan na, your assumption was wrong. Kaya kung mag-negative na siya class, dili naman siya equilibrium. Okay, so pwede na nimo balihon. So next, stress at BC is equals to the force applied at BC divided by the area of BC. So stress BC is equals to 10. Again, convert that into newtons divided by the area of 400 mm squared. And this equals to 25 megapascal. So this is now the answer. And for the third one class, this is the cutting plane. So we have a tension of 25 kilonewtons, compression nga 35 kN, and another tension nga 10 kilonewtons. So again class, to solve for this one, we'll be using summation of force X equals to 0. To the right equals to the left. So by the way, napay reaction na din, reaction at AB. Okay, so let's try nga to the right ang reaction ni AB. So to the right, that is reaction at AB plus 35 equals 25 plus 10. So therefore, the reaction at AB class is equals to 0. Therefore, we don't have any value of stress at AB. So this is 0 MPa. Okay? Simple. Tonyo!